Welcome back, guys. And this video is related with the WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, what is happening is, suppose anyone sends you a message, and at the same time, he or she is deleting that message. You were not able to read this message before reading. The message got deleted, and now you want to know what was written in that message. So without loading any third party app, the Samsung mobile has some features which needs to be activated so that we can see the message which has been deleted before you have seen it. So now, not wasting much of your time, let us start the video, guys. And before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel and share with your friends and press the bell icon. So now I have done some setting in this my Samsung mobile. Now one message has come here in my WhatsApp, and this message has been deleted before I read. C1 means I have not read it. This message has been deleted. So now I have done some setting. I will later tell you. But now we see how can we see that deleted message. So we just go to the settings. Then we will go to the notifications. Then we will go to the advanced setting. Here notification history. This should be on. This is all you have to do. Just notification history should be on. See that message which has been sent at 6 is hello. I have written hello only, but here you can see the deleted message. In WhatsApp you will not able to see. It is deleted at 6. The time is 6. You can see here, and here also the time is 6. This was the message. So I will again tell you what you have to do. Just go to the setting, go to the notifications, then go to the advanced settings, then notification history, and turn it on. It will be off in your mobile. You should just turn it on to see the deleted message after being deleted, but before you have seen it. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do subscribe the channel, please share with the friends, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much, friends.